everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who just joined in, hi! Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for dropping in. My name is Susie and I do makeup and personal style videos here on YouTube. If you reach the end of this video and you love the content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's been a while and this is the very first video that I'm doing for this year. Yeah, it has been that hectic, but I am excited because we have new stuff. Itong video na to is only because I got new stuff over the holidays that I am so excited to try. And yes, two of them, I have absolutely not tried it at all. Talagang nagtimpi ako na hindi ito iswatch kasi sobrang ang ganda niya. Let me show them to you. These are the new ones that I would like to review for you today. So here they are. So this is the MAC. It's an Eye for Arrangements eye kit. This is first impressions, yes, but I've seen the box. I've checked what's inside. All right. I also have this one. This is also a new one, a new blush palette from BYS. And ito literally hindi ko pa binubuksan. Ito, ayan, naka-packaging pa siya. Yeah, exciting. And then I have a new lipstick actually. And this is the Solar Bomb from Issey & Co. or now called Issey. Yeah. I am that excited to try these out for you kasi talagang mga ilang weeks na tong nasa akin. Hindi ko pa talaga to sinusubukan. Kaya, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's do it. So, I've already applied on my base makeup, some bronzer and my contour stick tsaka powder. Pero ang gagawin natin, we will start from bottom to the top. So, lips, blush, and then the very last, yung eyeshadow para masaya. Okay, Issey. This is actually an impulse buy. I have been wanting to try their Solar Bomb. The sales lady even said this is like the dupe of the Black Honey. Ako naman, dahil yun ang hinahanap ko exactly, nabudol ako. This is like super new. I bought this like 2 days ago. Yesterday when I tried it and the other day, the very first time I got it, I thought it's amazing. I took a video of it while I was at the parking lot in the mall. Good thing this is already in UP Town in Katipunan. Meron na silang store doon, so nakapag-swatch ako. Ayoko talagang bilhin to sa online kasi I want to know kung anong effect niya. The packaging is super sleek. I think si Issey is do like a futuristic, super silver type of aesthetic. I get it. Ang ganda. And I really like the tube. It's so clean, nice silver. It's looking like the Fenty one that I have. Actually, I am so drawn even to their blush palettes because ang ganda ng packaging nila. And then what's nice about this, pero guys, nagamit ko na ha, hindi ito first impression. When I first used this, like here, and here's the video for it, meron Issey dun sa ibabaw na sobrang ang ganda when I first bought it. Sobrang ang ganda nito. And then, marami yung product. It seems it's about, oh no, I really cannot see. I will link it here later para lang makita ninyo. I think the reason why I finally got this is because yung Burt's Bees ko na lip balm paubos na. Concern ko lang doon is, ang ganda sana ng product na yun. Kaso, kailangan ko na siyang dukutin para i-apply sa lips ko. Okay pa naman, walang problema, uubusin ko na lang talaga siya. Pero syempre, hassle yung ganun for me eh. So, nung nakita ko to, sabi ko, sige, let's try it. Hindi ito yung pinaka lip balm nila. Ito yung may shade. Pero, nung natry ko siya, wow, I'll show you. Diba? I like this. It's like super chocolatey yung final outcome niya, diba? And it does look like the Black Honey lipsticks that I see in Clinique or in, I think in e.l.f. meron din. But what I like about this is that, okay, ngayon, that's like that. Pero later, parang absorb siya ng lips ko, which I like. When I first bought this, I was using a red lipstick. Sinubukan ko on top yung red lipstick. Glided so well. It's not lifting up the red lippy. And then, ang ganda ng kapit nung lipstick ko nung ginamit ko to. Mamaya na ako maglalagay ng isa pang shade. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung effect niya later pa kasi bagong lagay. Gusto ko talaga ma-absorb properly ng lips ko itong Issey. So, next is the BYS Blush. Here it is. So, okay, guys, nung Christmas, nagregalo ako ng mga makeup. This happens to be a buy one, take one when I bought it. I actually just wanted to buy the bronzer. You've seen this before. I've already reviewed this. And it came with this. Kaya buti na lang pala, I waited until I bought this kasi nga buy one, take one sila. I also didn't want to keep this. Because I literally just said, okay, let's give it to someone. I mean, sobrang dami na ng blush ko. Ano pa bang i-review ko? But wait, hindi ko siya naregalo. Why? I think it's the shade. It's a really bubblegum pink type of blush. And yung mga pagbibigyan ko, I wasn't sure if they really are into these kinds of blushes. So, sabi ko, okay, let's just keep it for now. And then let's see if we'd be able to give it as a gift. But here we are. We're gonna try it now. Kasi syempre, libre naman siya, sayang naman, 'di ba? I mean, value for money naman yung na-achieve ko. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan, ha? And sana hindi ko masira. Ayan. Here it is. Ang ganda. 'Di ba? So it has 3 shades of pink. BYS, the packaging. Oh my gosh. Quite insane. Kasi dahil exposed siya, kaya ganito siguro yung pagkakapack sa kanya. Wow! Ang ganda, guys! Na-excite ako. So let me just swatch it for you first. Lahat ba powder? Okay, ayan siya. The pink, and then the one with shimmer. Super pigmented to. It's a super pigmented blush. So, everyone, ayan. So, you know, hindi na halos makita yung pinaka-light color, which is this one. But look at the two. They're so super, super nice, right? Ayan siya. I hope I'm getting it. Oops. Ayan siya. Hindi na halos maswatch itong let me just do it again, ha. A very, 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 very faint pink, but still they're super nice. I'm gonna try it now. But which color are we going to use? Wow. The shimmer is so nice. So unahin natin yung pinaka-pigmented na pink. Tapos ang tip is to try it first back of your palm. Ayan siya. Okay, now let's do it. So guys, dito naglagay na ako ng konting bronzer. Now, I'm going to just tap a bit of pink. You know, ang magiging basehan ko dito is going to be the Juvia's Place. It looks like the Juvia's Place palette. So, ito guys, isang lagay ko pa lang, todo na. Talagang, it is so pigmented, mahihirapan kang magbura kapag nagkamali ka. Ito naman, sobrang faint. Like, you need to build up if you want to add more color to your cheeks. Like, it's not super seen. Like, right now, ayan o. But it's there. It's a nice pink hue. Natatakot lang akong idiretso kasi baka hindi natin makontrol. So, the good part of this is that it's buildable. Ito nag-show up ng konti agad. And another good thing, look, it's not dusty. I like blushes that are not super dusty because feeling ko aksaya kapag nagda-dust sobra. And it's nice. It's a really nice pink one. I would still, you know, if you're asking me if I'm gonna ever use this one, maybe I would, but it will be a topper for something. Yeah, I think I overdid that blush. Okay, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna let it. Hihintayin ko lang siyang mag-blend ng konti because it will. But you know what? The Juvia's Place one that I always use, this will never come off my collection. Like, I love Juvia's Place so much. Ito, sige, tama. I did say, kapag madami kang nalagay, the tendency nga is mahirap burahin, mahirap gawa ng paraan. So, you have to be super careful. But the good thing about this is that even if you applied too many, once it sets in your face, it will subdue itself. I don't know how that happens, but it does. So, let's see this one if it will do the same. But before that, let me apply some of this shimmer, the one here in the middle. Let's use my Bobbi Brown for this one, and then again, dito ulit. Careful. Okay. This is like a highlighter type of blush. So pretty! Kabila naman. I am scared for that blush, but we are not going to touch it, okay? Wag muna kayo ma-shock. Let's see what happens a little later. Oh my gosh, baka na-todo ko tong blush na to, ah. Alright, so we are gonna let that just sit for a while. We are not gonna touch it, and we're gonna let it set so that let's see if the setting will help out in the process of this blush. Next are the eyes. If you're joining us just now, please, 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 wait lang, hintayin lang natin kung ano mangyayari sa cheeks, ha, kasi I think I overdid the blush. So here it is, guys. This is the cream of the crop today, which I really wanted to review. This is an Eye for Arrangements eye kit by MAC Cosmetics. In my whole 20 plus years of using makeup, I have never had a MAC eyeshadow. Would you believe? This is such a gorgeous kit, and I will show it to you. It comes with this. This is a black eye pencil eyeliner. And then, look at the packaging of this. Which this is so grabe. Can you, I mean, right, diba? So I wore this and this one, so it sort of matches this eyeshadow palette. It's so nice! This is so worthy of, but you know you're not gonna apply eyeshadow when you're outside, diba? This is like the perfect one na pwede mong dalhin sa bag mo. If this was just a complete set, oh my gosh, ito na yun. Ang ganda ng packaging, MAC. Ganda. And I think they came out with these only a few years ago. Marami to eh. Marami tong designs. My friend gave this to me for Christmas, actually. Thank you. Thank you so much. You know who you are. Teka lang, buksan ko na. Tada! Hindi ko pa tinatanggal to. I think there's a film or something in the mirror. This is the beautiful eyeshadow. It's like a bit of earth and mauve colors for all skin types. The names are in the carton, but I really cannot read it. Sobrang liit. To describe this, it's like a really rosy palette with chocolate browns, dark chocolate browns, a mahogany or like a purplish dark color. And then this is like a dusty rose type of shade. And then this is like the typical, the golds. This is like a darker gold and then a lighter gold. What I'm gonna do now is apply all of them for you. Well, not all. We'll see. We'll see how it really works out. And I'm gonna start off with the lightest color. This one. Oh guys, ayan, malabas na. Medyo mapulbo siya. Ayan. For a first application, it's a buildable type of palette, it seems. It's not like right away it's gonna be there or something. No. By the way, I am not the best at applying eyeshadow. FYI. But we're gonna try our best. Look really nice and on our lids. This is like a mauve, the mauve pink one. It's not super dry. It's dusty on the palette, but on your eyes it's not. Walang nalalaglag. Do you call that fall out? Fall off, falling, something. Yeah. But you know what? Kasi isa lang ang mako-compare ko dito na eyeshadow eh. And it's the Natasha Denona one. Okay guys, yung Natasha Denona ko, simula pa lang, isang lagay mo pa lang, feel mo agad yung creaminess ng eyeshadow. Ito hindi. Hindi mo feel yung creaminess niya. It's above that, it's a bit dry. But wait, just wait. It's not like a super parang dusty lang. The shade is there. You know, you see it kahit na hindi ganun kaputok na putok yung kulay. Next, this mauve like purplish brown. What I normally just do is apply a little bit here. The darker ones, you need to be a bit careful because they're gonna show right away. The next dark brown is this one. I will apply it sa loob ng lids ko. You know, there are those that parang you know it's there. It's doing the job. It's just not really super wowing you. You know what I mean? It's not hard to manage to. It's just that I get to compare it with the Juvia's Place one. I've had that. And then the Natasha Denona one. The creaminess is so distinct. I will use the gold color here and apply here sa gitna. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay. Your fingers. The other side. It might just need the warmth of your fingertips. But I would want something more like mauve on this one. Parang ganda sana kung may konting mauve pa. Parang this turns out to be too dark for a mauve color. Okay, brightest one. Let's use the lightest one and just apply here. Oh! Uy, ganda. The shimmers are nice. Panglagay mo lang dito sa pinaka-edge ng mata mo. For some reason, I wanna dust the pink one. I'll dust the pink one again on this side. Let's just... Yan. Okay. And, okay, a little bit on my brow bone. Dito, konti lang, konti lang. Again, disclaimer, I am not the best at eyeshadow, guys. I do them because it's fun. I really don't care kung maganda siya o hindi. Sometime, you know, just enjoy putting on makeup. I was expecting it to be like an extra mauve type of palette. Lagyan natin ulit itong mauve. Like, I wanted to be pink. Like, I wanted it to be like a light maroon. But this is turning out to be brown. But it's beautiful. It's nice. Okay, there's no fallout. So I don't need to clean up anything here, which I like so much. It's very subtle and it's easy to use. That's good. If you're a beginner and you want to really just apply, use this. Alright, now, we're gonna apply the eyeliner. This is apparently a gel eyeliner. It's MAC Color Excess Glide or Die Gel Pencil Eyeliner. Okay, it's at the bottom. Hindi ko na-try before pero I swatched it on my arm. Kasi nga, hindi ko makita kung black or brown siya. But yes, it's black. So, okay, lagay na natin tong eyeliner. I'll start here. So they say it's gel, so definitely it's gonna dry right away. It dries beautifully, like immediately you see the black, but I'm gonna wait till I apply a wing. With gel eyeliners, it's a bit hard to do wings. But it's so nice. So guys, mali ako ng pinipihit. Ito pala siya. Nasa taas. At okay, just to show you how much product there is, ay madami naman. And it's gel. You don't need a lot. Pero, paano mo ngayon to sisikipan? Subukan natin. Kasi, paano yun? Paano sisikip to? Ayun, okay. Sumisikip naman siya, pero, okay, let's hope for the best. Okay, now, I'm gonna apply a little bit of wing here. Kasi medyo nawala na yung talas niya eh. Nawala yung sharpness. Oy, ayan. Okay. Kaya naman, like a little bit of wing. Okay, so, pero guys, yun nga, because it's gel, mabilis matuyo. Pero, kung gusto mo ng mas madiin na wing, bilisan mo. Hindi siya matuyo agad. Yun nga, nawala yung talas. Kasi syempre ginamit ko na, 'di ba? You're gonna need something nga talaga to help it. I hope hindi ako magkamali. Okay, kailangan pa ng konting tulong dito sa side, sa kabilang side. It can create a wing, pero takot lang ako eh. Kasi hindi na siya matalas. It's quite hard to manipulate once it dries. So, it's gonna need some help from something else. Let's go back to the eyeshadow. Let's add like a bottom shade. The brown shade one. I'm just gonna... There it is. Oh, this is not new. You've seen this before. I always apply some, like a brightener inside the waterline. Okay. And also, mascara. And because I applied a black eyeliner, I'm gonna apply a black mascara. Okay, so we are done with the eyes. Okay, hindi ako nag-apply ng powder, pero I just dusted off a little bit off cam. The pink diffused a little bit, nawala yung harshness niya. So, that's a good thing. Kasi ibig sabihin, kahit na tumodo, bigyan mo lang ng oras na mag-blend siya sa skin mo and it will create this nice look naman on you. I don't think the powder did much. It diffused by a little, but it's still good. Alright, now, let's go back to the lips. This is what I was trying to say. Okay, so at least the color, the tint of that Solar Bomb is still here, right? But of course, the glossiness, it's gone. But what I like about this is that it retains the moisture on your lips. And this can be used by itself if you're just natural, like going for a natural look on the day. Like for example, no makeup look, wala ka lang makeup, sunblock lang, and then the solar bomb, okay siya. But if you're gonna go for mga ganitong full-on makeup glam, syempre, medyo isip-isip ka kasi, ayan siya, it gonna look like lips. This is like a good base to have. Alright, so, okay, what do I wanna apply lips. So, gamitin natin si Charlotte. And also, the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. Now that the gloss is here, the balm is here, let me apply, ha. Okay, it does glide. It glides on your lips. Like see ya? Okay, that's a good thing. Because of the moisture, the lip liner glides nicely. Parang feeling ko lang yung eyeshadow, yung ginamit kong blush, bagay sa kanya yung medyo mauvey na lips. So, gamitin natin tong Charlotte. Alright, I am changing my mind a little bit about the lipstick, okay? The shade that I used, parang it's just too harsh. Especially for the eyes and the cheek. Kasi ito na I have like a really nice central look here, and it parang this washes it out. So, let's take it off, and I'll apply something different. But yes, let's use the solar bomb pa rin, ha? Kasi that's how I really want to use this lipstick. It's really a balm for under. Because I don't want to use it like as is. So maybe because of the tint, it's gonna make my lips a bit dark, no? But it's okay. We'll apply something to not make it super dark. Let's go for a nude lipstick today. Okay, the Mink from Revlon is, again, a favorite. Now, let's wait on it a little bit. And then with my Charlotte Tilbury gloss, a little bit lighter than the earlier one, right? Okay, this is it. So yeah, here is the final look. And what can I say? Alright guys, I waited about 15 to 20 minutes. Tinintay ko lang talaga yung makeup ko mag-set ng kaunti. And okay, let me break down what my observations are with all of the stuff that we tried for the first time today. First, the Issey Solar Bomb. Again, the shade is in Jam, like a rich blackberry. They say it's the dupe of the Black Honey. It's really good. I like how good the balm is for your lips. I really like the fact that when you apply it, okay, it does have that shine, it has that gloss, but eventually it's gonna come off. But it's not waxy. It's not like, nakapatong lang tas matatanggal. It absorbs. Like, your lips will absorb the goodness of the balm of this one, because I use balms if I'm just gonna be like natural for the day. No makeup, just a sunblock, and then this one. Okay siya. But if I'm gonna be like glammed up with a full-on makeup, definitely this is an under base, because definitely I'll be using another lipstick or another gloss on top to be able to just have more color on my lips, because that's just my preference. But if you're just gonna use it for everyday, this is perfect. Did I need this, to be honest? Sa dinami ng balms ko dito, I have to say yes. Kasi it's a good base for me. Yung iba ko kasi dito ng mga lip balm, hindi siya maganda as a base. Iilan lang dito, like yung Burt's Bees at saka ito, yung maganda sa ilalim ng lipstick. Worth buying? Yes, I have to say it is worth buying. Okay, next is this one. It's the blush from BYS. Okay, di ba? Nadamihan natin tong side na to. Look at it now. Medyo subdued na siya. Hindi katulad kanina na talagang talagang tindi nung pagka-pink nun dito ko. However, what I like about this makeup look now that nag-set na talaga siya at may konting oils na yung face ko, ito yung naging focal point nung makeup look ko ngayon. That's why I really needed to change the lip color, because it was just too dark kanina. And look at it, ang ganda naman ng effect na na-create nito. It's a very really good buildable blush. And the pink is nice. I have to say, ang ganda ng pagka-pink nito. It's good that it's buildable, but you have to be careful because it is still a sort of pigmented blush. Having this one and then this one together, sa totoo lang, I didn't really need this, but it's free. I got it for free, so it was a good thing to try. Now, because I have this, I really don't need this. However, I'm gonna miss out on this shade if I didn't try this. That's my realization today. Because it's a really, really good shimmer blush. And I really like it. Like, ang ganda. It can compare to the Milani. That's a holy grail, but I said it. If you have like a gazillion blushes, maybe you wait a little and then purchase this. But if you don't have like a really nice bubblegum pink in your collection, this is a good mid-range quality blush. So, for a mid-range blush with this color na feeling ko, if you're the type na gusto mo lang ng color na yon and you're really not, eventually, pagsasawaan mo siya, okay na to. This is a good blush to have. Alright. Now, the eyeshadow. Let me zoom in so you get to see the goodness, okay? So, this was really delicately applied. And at first, when I was applying it, I thought, okay, it's a bit on the dry side of an eyeshadow. It's not super creamy like how I described Natasha Denona ones. I didn't make a mistake in my application. I knew I just applied it like a beginner because that's how I am with eyeshadow. I'm not really good at applying it, but look at it now. Parang look, it doesn't feel like I made a mistake or that sinalpak ko lang lahat sila dyan. It's really blending so well on my eyes. So, to retract, di ba? I said earlier na hindi ako napapawaw dito sa eyeshadow na to. Ngayon ako napapawaw kasi ang ganda pala talaga niya nung nalagay na, nung nag-blend na siya. My final thoughts about this is, if you're like me who have a lot of eyeshadows, then yes, I really don't need this. But thankfully, it's a gift. And it's a really precious gift to have because it's so beautiful. This eyeshadow palette is like a collector's item that I will keep for a long time. I just don't know the longevity of the shadows. But the packaging is so beautiful, it is really worth keeping. I don't know if you can change the pods. I will find out. I'll go to MAC and ask, mapapalitan yung shadows nito. So that, kung maubos naman na talaga siya, I can replace yung mga bullets na lang. Kasi the packaging is so worth keeping. That is why I am enjoying this palette thoroughly and I will be keeping this. This is, I think Feli will have this eventually if she's old enough to put on makeup. But yeah, if you're one of those, you have a lot, maybe ubusin mo muna yung eyeshadows mo bago ka kumuha nito. But definitely for the look, for the case, it is worth buying. I say it's worth buying. However, if you will compare it with a Natasha Denona or a Pat McGrath, as they say, I haven't tried Pat McGrath. Baka those are better. Iba talaga yung quality ng Natasha. At saka, it's just that MAC is an original. It's an OG classic. It's been around for years and for sure, the formula is good. Kasi nga, matagal na siyang existing. And also, the colors daw of this, sa nakita kong review, meron na existing na rin talaga siya sa MAC stores. Kumbaga, parang pinagsama-sama lang nila yung shadows for this palette. So, as a collector's item, this is a good eyeshadow palette to have. Yeah, so that's it, guys. You know what? Itong vlog na to, it's a surprise review because I didn't have these. I didn't purchase them. This was given to me and then this one came as a freebie. It's a good surprise. I enjoyed it thoroughly. The only intentional purchase here, which technically is not intentional because na medyo nabudol ako dahil nakita ko siya, is the Issey one. But it turned out I also needed a balm like this and it's a good one too. Kasi sobra lang akong natutuwa that I got to try these super nice makeup for you today. And that being said, if you have reached this far, thank you so much for joining me today. And I really sure hope to see you again on the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.